Every year, the Front Range Birding Company hosts an amazing event in celebration of International Migratory Bird Day. There were lots of local businesses and organizations there, guaranteed to be tons of fun for families and bird lovers alike. Got in my nose. Yeah, we carried our letters down the street where the road I came wrong. I went home, listened to Jimmy Rogers on my mind. Hawk Quest was there with some really impressive birds. A bald eagle, a great horned owl, they even flew a Harris's hawk. This is an ideal event for bird education. Several artists and craftsmen were at outdoor booths. All of the crafts are locally made and supported, so any proceeds stay in the community. There's handmade carvings, tons of birdhouses, and lots of original paintings. From the lady who cleaned the fan right inside out. I was blowing saxophone on that weekend, that down joint. Baby, what's my life? I'm happy cleaning windows when I take my time. Some great bird organizations were there too, like Wild Bird Rehab and Rocky Mountain Bird Observatory. And of course, it all happened in front of the Front Range Birding Company store, a place where you can find everything from bird seed to binoculars. Migratory Bird Day is coming around again, so mark it on your calendars. Come on out to the open house and enjoy all the festivities. Big discounts on food and beverages will be available at participating restaurants in the shopping center. Live bluegrass music will be on tap in the morning and afternoon. It promises to be a blast for the entire family.